This is Bonifacio, small and cozy town in the southern part of Corsica. Small town, but here is so many things to do and so many things to see. We went here just for one day and we didn't see everything what we wanted. It was not enough time. Here is so many cafes, bars, restaurants, grocery shopping. Also, you can get from here to Sardinia by ferry. As well, you can book excursion by boat along Corsican coast. Inside and outside the town, so many viewing points with lovely views, with amazing views. Outside the town, you will find some beautiful beaches, amazing beaches, and we had discussion about them in our previous videos. As a reminder for you, we're showing our videos the things as they are, as it is. We're not applying any filters, we're not adjusting anything. We just want you to show the things like they are. In general, this town is lovely and cozy. I really recommending to come, to see and to explore. For now, this is the last video about the Corsica from the last summer. But who knows, maybe in the future we'll visit this island again and we'll visit another area, another town, another beaches. And of course, we will try our best and we will make another videos from places we visited. Let's continue watching together this video until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching. We are already in Promenade Maria. Bonifacio harbor reminds me by architecture another French port of Marseille. We visited a few years ago, but Marseille much bigger, and I recommending to visit it as well as Corsica.
Блин, вот эта вот яхта красивая, да? Вот этот корабль.
Thank you for watching, guys, our videos from Corsica. Don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, comment, ask questions. Let's continue watching until the end and have a good time.
Марко Поло яхта.